can start talking about animals again, and today we'll talk about wild animals and some birds. Let's see on this picture, let's look at them. What is the bird? It's a titmouse. It's a very small bird, looks like a mouse, and she says tit 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 tit. It's a titmouse, okay. And this one is an owl. Owl. It's an owl. Can you see? Yeah. It's a nice bird. And this is a squirrel. Do you know? Squirrels can be reddish, they can be black, they can be gray, but all of them like nuts. Squirrel. And this is deer. Can you see a deer? Fantastic. Big, beautiful deer. And this one, hedgehog, can you see? Small, nice, cutie hedgehog. Something like this, hedgehog. And this one, who it is? Wow, it's a fox, foxy woxy. It's a fox. Look at this, she looks a little bit sad, I guess. Probably hungry fox. Okay, and this one, oh, it's a badger. Can you see a badger? Quite big animal and sometimes dangerous. Badger. This one is a hare. Hungry too. Yeah. Doesn't look very happy and runs somewhere. Okay. Hare. It's a hare. Do you remember rabbit? It's his brother. Look at this. It's a raccoon. Raccoon. Nice, cute, sweetie raccoon. So nice, but not when it puts to your garbage. If it takes your garbage bin, it's not very sweet. Tiger. I'm afraid of this. Tiger. Nice, orange and black. Tiger. Rhino. Quite dangerous. Rhino. Oh, monkey. Monkey. Do you like monkeys? I do. This one is a skunk. Oof. It doesn't smell very well, believe me. It's skunk. But look nice, yeah, it looks nice. Panda! So nice, baby panda. Looks fantastic. And this one, it's a parrot. Do you have parrots at home? They can be different. Small parrots, big parrots. But they're always very clever. They can repeat any word you say. It's elephant, big, huge, large, heavy elephant. Ooh, it's not a baby, I guess it's father elephant. Look at this. It's giraffe, very, very long neck, giraffe. Camel, can you see? It's camel, it lives in deserts. Koala. Two koalas. Can you see? Mommy and baby. Two koalas. Good. And this one is a lion. Dangerous, serious. Look at his eyes. Ooh. It's a very serious animal. Lion. And now zebra. She has a pajama. Can you see? Do you have a pajama? She has. And now who it is? Hippo. Hippopotamus. Big and quite lazy. Yeah, hippopotamus. Hippo. Extremely large mouth. Ooh. And titmouse again. And now let's repeat together. Hippo. Zebra. Lion. Koala. Camel, giraffe, elephant, parrot, panda, skunk, monkey, rhino, tiger, raccoon, hare, badger, fox, hedgehog, deer, squirrel, owl,